In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a specific message without thread in Slack. If you want your response to appear right in the main channel instead of inside a thread, Slack lets you do that by sharing the original message with a comment. Here's how to do it from the web. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then open the official Slack website from the results. If you're prompted, sign in to your workspace as you normally would. Make sure you're in the right workspace before moving on. Once you're in Slack, open the channel where the conversation is happening. Scroll until you find the exact message you want to respond to in the channel view, not as a thread. This is great when you need your answer to be visible to everyone scanning the main feed, like an update or a quick confirmation. Hover your mouse over that message. You'll see a small toolbar appear with several icons. Look for the forward style arrow, which Slack uses for share message. Click that. A share panel opens. In the destination field, choose the same channel that holds the message. Selecting that channel ensures your reply posts directly to the main conversation rather than creating or joining a thread. If you work in many channels, use the search box to quickly find the right one. In the text box provided, type your reply. This is where you add the context you want people to see. You can keep it short, or add specifics so teammates don't have to open a thread to understand the point. Feel free to mention the person you're responding to or add any relevant dates or links so the message stands on its own in the timeline. When you're happy with your wording, click Forward. Slack will post your comment to the selected channel with a preview of the original message above it, making it clear what you're responding to without moving the discussion into a thread. This keeps context visible for anyone joining later or catching up on missed messages. That's it. You've replied to a specific message right in the channel using Slack's share feature, keeping visibility high for the whole team. Use this approach for announcements, decisions, or answers that shouldn't be buried in a thread, and reserve threads for deeper back and forth. Use this sparingly if your team prefers threads, and follow any channel guidelines your organization has set. Thanks for watching, and try this the next time you want your response front and center in Slack.